What's up, beautiful people? Today we're going to do a 3D granny square crochet. So I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful flower so that you can do it for yourself. So we're going to use a yarn. A double knit is a chick. It's also 100% acrylic, as you can see that, 100 gram. It's in color white, yes, as you can see there. And we're also using it red, same. We're also using 3.5 millimeter hook. So let's begin. We're going to make a circle and we chain 3. After we chain 3 in our circle, we also gonna make a double crochet. 1, 2, 3. I think by now you all know how to make a double crochet. 4, we're gonna make 10 double crochet into our circle. 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and share and like so that we do more. So after you make a 10 chains double crochet, we're going to slip knot. After that, we're gonna change the yarn into white. After we cutting it with scissors, we're gonna turn to white, and then we're gonna chain 3 chains. After you chain 3 chains, we're going to do triple crochet so that we can start with a flower. 2, chain twice. You take 1, 2, and 3. It's called triple crochet. You yarn twice, you pull over, take 2 off, take 2, another 2 off, and then take the last 2 off, another one again. You pull out 2, and pull out another 2, another one again. Then after you have 4, you're going to take out your hook and insert it in the first chain, and then pull that 4th one. And after you do that, you're gonna chain 2. You're going to do another one in the next chain space. You're going to do a triple crochet. 1, 2, and 2, and 2. Another one in the same chain space. In each chain space, we're gonna do 4 triple crochet. That's the second one, and then the third one, and the 4th one. After that, you're going to take out your thing and you 4 count them. After you count them, you're going to pull that 4th one into the first one, and then you chain 2. So actually this is gonna be our pattern. After that, let's do it for the 3rd time. You into the 3rd chain, you triple crochet, 2, 3, second one in the same chain, 1, 2, 3, the 3rd one in the same chain, 2, 3, and the 4th one in the same chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. You take off, and then you count for the first one, you pull off that last one in the same, and then you do 2 chains and you do the 4th one. So you're gonna do that. I'll meet you at the end there. After you arrived, you're gonna have something like this. You can't do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have 12, and then you slip stitch, and then you cut you're gonna chain 1, cut your yarn. After you cut your yarn, you're gonna turn your wool into red, change it to red, and then we're gonna chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3, and do a double crochet in the same chain space. Another crochet in the same chain space. Double crochet. After that, in the next space, as you see, we're gonna do a treble crochet because we are doing our corner. We're gonna chain 1, 2, 3, do another treble crochet. So we are doing a cluster here. It's gonna be a cluster. 1, 2, and 3. Another one. You're going to do it's cluster 1, 2 and 3. You chain 2. In the very same one, we're doing a cluster. You're gonna do a triple crochet in the same chain space. 1, 2, 3, another one into the same 1, 2 and 3, and do the last one again. It's 1, 2, 3. So there it's a corner. You can see it's taking a shape of a corner. Into the next space, we go in with a double crochet, not a triple one. You do a 3 double crochet in the same space, and so this is gonna be our second one in the same space as the second and the third. And then in the next one, we're going to continue doing the double crochet again. 3 double crochet in the same space. That's the second one and the third one. After that, we're going to go back to a cluster because we are doing a corner again. 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. The next one, treble 1, 2, and then insert, pull out 2, pull out another 2, and pull the last 2. I don't know what's happening with my hook today, but yeah, let's continue. Do another one, insert, pull out 2, pull another 2, pull another 2, chain 2, do another treble in the same chain space, pull out 2, and pull out 2. Do the next one, pull out 2, and then pull out 2, and then you do the same again. 1, pull out 2, and pull out 2, and do the last one in the same chain. Pull out 2, and then pull out 2. So there's another corner. We have 2 corners now. Into the next one, we're going to do with just a double crochet. Two, 3. The next one, you're gonna go with the double crochet. 1, 2, 3. And then you're gonna go again and make another corner with a triple crochet. You're going to do a cluster. You turn into 3 triple crochet, chain 2, insert another 3 triple crochet in the same space. After you've done that, you're gonna do that until we meet at the end. You repeat same thing that we've been doing. After you're done with your thing, we're going to slip stitch and chain 1, cut off our yarn, and there we have it. You can add the rows that you want. You can add how many rows that you want, and then after that, there you have it. You can turn it into anything that you want to work on.